Good day, students! Today our topic is all about dot diagrams and stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, when we say dot diagrams, it consists of horizontal number line and dots placed above the number line. So we're going to use a horizontal line in here. Then next, the stem and leaf diagram. So it consists of few stems, each with a different number of leaves. So we have stems and leaves. So like for example, we have 23. We have a stems or the key which is 2 and the leaves is 3. Okay, so that is stem and leaf diagram. So now let's have the dot diagrams. So the dots represent the values in a set of data. So example, the table shows time taken in minutes for 12 employees of a company to travel from their home to the office. So we have 22 minutes, 20 minutes, 21, 21, 18, 18, 30, 20, 22, 23, 22, and 20 minutes. Okay, so in that diagrams, we have 3 steps. So the first step is identify the range of values. So since we have 20, 22, 21, 21, 18, 18, 30, 20, 22, 23, 22, and 20, when we say range, it is from lowest to greatest or from the lowest number to the greatest number. So like for example, the lowest number is 18. Okay, then the greatest number or the largest number is 30. Therefore, the range is 18 minutes to 30 minutes. From smallest number to the largest number. The smallest is 18, then the largest is 30. So the range is 18 minutes to 30 minutes. Then next, we have step 2. Draw a horizontal number line with equal intervals to represent the range of values identified in step 1. So the range again is 8 to 30. So we're going to number 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29 to 30. Okay. So then draw a horizontal number line. After step 2, let's proceed to step 3. Using the data from the table, plot each datum with a dot over its value to the number line. Okay. Again, this is the number line. So for 18, we have 2 dots. 1 and 2. The next, for 20, we have 3 dots. 1, 2, and 3. The next, for 21, we have 2 dots, 1 and 2. The next, for 22, we have 3 dots, 1, 2, and 3. Next, for 23, we have 1 dot. The next, for 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, since in data, we can see 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, or 29. So, we don't need to write or draw anything. Okay? So, for 30, we have 1 dot. So, these dots represent the number of minutes for 12 employees of a company to travel from their homes to the office. So next, briefly describe the distribution. Okay, we need to describe the distribution. For this one, the time taken for 12 employees to travel from their homes to the office range from 18 minutes to 30 minutes. Then, the time taken is clustered around 20 to 23 minutes. So, it's clustered from 20 to 23 minutes. Okay, then there is an extreme value of 30 minutes with 1. Next, let's have the stem and leaf diagram. So again, when we say stem and leaf diagram, it consists of few stems, each with different numbers of leaf. So like for example, table shows the masses in grams of 10 salt containers, which is 56, 58, 64, 67, 72, 61, 63, 76, 50, 64, and 70. So now let's represent the data using the stem and leaf diagram. So in stem diagram, each stem represents a digit in the tens place and each leaf represents a digit in one places. So for example, 56, 58, 67, 72, 61, 63, 76, 50, 64, and 74. So all the numbers have the common stem of 5, 6, and 7. So for stem 5, for the number with stem 5, so 5, 5, 5. So the stem is 5 and the leaf is 0 since we have 50. 6, which we have 56. And 8 since we have 58. Then the next stem is 6 with 1, which is 61. Then next 63. Next 64. And 67 for 6. Then for 7, we have 72, 76, 79. So the key, like for example, we have 5, then 6. We use this symbol, 5, then straight line, 6, means 56 grams. So sometimes, a stem and leaf diagram may have more leaves or some stems, such as the leaves corresponding to the stem. So when it happens, we can break each stem to two halves. So one for the leaves number 0 to 4 and the other for the leaves number from 5 to 9. So we will obtain the stem and leaf diagram with split stems. So like for example in here. So again, it is 0 to 4, then 5 to 9. So for 7, we have 0 to 4, 8 to 9. Split it in half. 0 to 4, or 0 to 4, 8 or 5 to 9, 0 to 4, 5 to 9. Okay? So let's make it with stem and leaf diagram with split stem. So for 7, from 0 to 4, we have 0 and 4. For 5, from 5 to 9, we have 8 and 9. From 8, we have 2, 3, 4, 4. Then we have 7, 9, 9, 9. Or 7, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And for 9, we have 9, 0, 0. Because it is 0 from 4. Then for 5 to 9, we have 5, 6, 7, and 9. So the key is 7, then straight line. 8 means 78 pesos. So we have a question here. Find the ratio of the number of students who collected more than 70 pesos but less than 85 pesos to the total number of the students. Okay? So the required ratio is 7 out of 21 since 7 of the students are collected more than 70 but less than 85. So we have 21 students then who do this is only 7 students. Then simplify your answer, divide it by 7. So the required ratio is 1 is to 3. And that is it. Thank you for listening. Let's call it a day. Goodbye, students.